Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Genesis Finance. Now Genesis Finance just recently finished a pre-sale on pinksale.finance. We're going to go over the information on this token and where you can get it now that the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this video here. Genesis Finance. So they have a full audit listed here on PinkSale. They were audited by Cyberscope, and you can view the PDF of that on PinkSale. They also have a full KYC, which means their team was doxed to Cyberscope to verify who they are for security reasons for investors. They also have the Seifu badge on here. You can view that on PinkSale, so lots of good security on this token. So they had a public pre-sale. There was 238 different investors that contributed to this pre-sale. Soft cap was set at 50 BNB, and they ended up selling 383.3 BNB, so very successful pre-sale. They have a Discord, Telegram, Twitter, official webpage listed on here. So Genesis Finance is the name of the token. GEFI is the ticker symbol. So Genesis Finance is a decentralized ecosystem which includes such useful utilities as wallet and swap and staking and decentralized exchange and NFT marketplace and launchpad. Staking is live, wallet is live. Buy crypto with card live, launchpad, NFT marketplace, decentralized exchange, coin market cap, and CoinGecko. Experienced team, no private sale. Use all utilities in one platform with 0% tax on buys and sells. Enjoy good service. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 1 billion tokens, 310.9 million tokens for pre-sale. 182.8 million tokens for liquidity. So now that the pre-sale is over, this token will be going over to PancakeSwap for purchase over there. You'll be able to get it on PancakeSwap, and liquidity is going to be locked for 1 full year. According to their token metrics pie chart here, it says 31% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 18.2% go to liquidity, 3% team, 15% staking, 15% decentralized and centralized exchange listings, 10% development, 7% marketing, and 0.6% of the tokens are unlocked. Now there is a quick audit by Block Seifu in the discussion section on PinkSale. It says the owner cannot mint new tokens after initial deployment. The owner cannot set max transaction amount. The owner cannot set a blacklist. The owner cannot set fees. The owner cannot pause trading, and proxy contract in token is not found. So there's all good check marks on there. There's no bad warnings or anything like that that you need to worry about. Now, if you want to find their official webpage, it is genesis-finance.net. Over there you could find info, utilities, wallet, contract, roadmap, tokenomics, staking, social media, and a join us button. Join us. So it looks like their page is actually being worked on right now. A lot of the stuff is blank on their page. Maybe they have a white paper somewhere, Medium articles. It says get all the latest news by joining social media and staying up to date. I don't see a white paper or anything like that. Yeah, it looks like they're working on their webpage right now. So if you go to their Medium articles, it looks like they have they do have a few articles here. So we click on this one here. This is an introduction article. This is where you can find most of their information is at Genesis Finance on Medium. So Genesis Finance was created by a group of professional analytics, cryptocurrency traders, and developers. The team has implemented all their experience and wishes in the Genesis Finance to make our crypto space even more convenient and easy to use for our customers. The benefits of Genesis Finance are clear and transparent, including highest security, different types of services, useful utilities, and the ability to earn higher income through your crypto holdings. Genesis Finance will launch a SAFU and KYC and audit badge to provide safety and security for our investors. Genesis Finance is decentralized ecosystem, which includes utilities like a swap and Gefi wallet, staking, decentralized exchange, NFT marketplace, launchpad, and ecosystem is represented by the Gefi token. So that is, in a nutshell, what Genesis Finance is, according to their Medium articles there. Gefi Wallet is a non-custodial Web3 wallet that will connect billions of users around the world safely. Gefi Wallet offers multi-chain cryptocurrency, DEX, payment solutions, and others. Gefi Wallet is a key component of future multi-chain protocols, applications, acting as a single point of access to various DeFi services across multiple blockchains. By having variations on the wallet, we have established a solid platform by expanding our product suite. Buy crypto with their bank card, Visa, and MasterCard payment systems are accepted. Receive, swap, send, and store crypto using the Gefi wallet. That will be also available on iOS and Android coming soon. They're also going to have an NFT marketplace, and it was built to provide unlimited digital content which can be owned and traded. Gefi NFT Marketplace gives our customers an opportunity to mint their NFTs by themselves, including music, images, or personal arts. Our aim was to create a trading platform which gives you a full circle service. One of the main features of Genesis Finance is paying attention to details. That's why our customers will see how simple and logical Gefi NFT Marketplace is in practice. On the technical side, our developers have taken care of everything and more. Gefi NFT Marketplace provides discounts on regular customers and free transaction as well. Explore NFT collections, mint your own NFTs, keep an eye on the trending NFTs, sale, buy, and sell list, and dive into the NFT world with Genesis Finance. There's also going to be staking. So there's going to be a 30-day lock where you can get 15% APY, 90-day lock where you can get 45% APY, 180 days you get 135%, and 365 days you can get 200% APY, which is annual percentage yield like interest. And it says if you try to early withdraw, there's a 10% fee. And that's basically about it. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about Genesis Finance? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.